Today, I'm going to tell you a magical story about a very special snowman. His name is Frosty the Snowman. Are you ready? Let's go! Once upon a time, on a snowy winter day, some children were playing outside. They decided to build a snowman. They rolled big round snowballs and stacked them up. 1, 2, 3. They gave him a carrot nose, 2 shiny buttons for eyes, and a big smile. But the best part, they found a magical old hat and placed it on his head. Suddenly, something amazing happened. As soon as Frosty wore the magical hat, he came to life. Frosty blinked his button eyes and said, "Happy birthday!" Can you say that with me? Happy birthday! Great job! Frosty was a jolly, happy snowman who loved to dance, sing, and play with the children. Frosty and the kids had so much fun. They slid on the ice, built more snowmen, and even had a snowball fight. But Frosty had to be careful. He could only stay alive as long as it was cold. If the sun came out and the weather got warm, Frosty would start to melt. One day, the sun came out and Frosty began to melt. The children were sad, but Frosty smiled and said, "Don't worry. I'll be back next winter when it snows again." He promised to return, and the kids waved goodbye. But they knew they would see their snowy friend again soon. And that's the story of Frosty the Snowman. If you liked the story, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments, what would you name your magical snowman? Thanks for watching, friends. Stay warm, have fun, and see you next time.